Diabetes is terrified of these 10 vegetables. You might think all vegetables are good for diabetes, but the truth is, some of them are secretly working against you. What if I told you that certain veggies can lower your blood sugar, just like medication, while others might be quietly raising it without you even noticing? If you or someone you love is dealing with diabetes or prediabetes, you need to know the difference. Because today, we're revealing the 10 vegetables that diabetes is absolutely terrified of, and we'll show you what to swap on your plate to take back control of your health. Give this video a like, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share it with someone who's ready to fight diabetes the smart way. Number 10. Tomato. Technically, tomatoes are fruits. Botanically speaking, they grow from the flower of the plant and contain seeds, which makes them a fruit by definition. But in the kitchen, and especially when it comes to nutrition, tomatoes behave like vegetables. They're savory, low in sugar, and often used in salads, sauces, and main dishes alongside other non-starchy veggies. That's why in this list, we're treating the tomato as the vegetable it acts like. And trust me, it earns its spot. Tomatoes are low in calories and have a glycemic index of just 15, which means they won't cause sudden blood sugar spikes. They're packed with lycopene, an antioxidant that gives them their bright red color and has been linked to reduced inflammation and improved heart health, two major concerns for anyone managing diabetes. Lycopene also plays a role in protecting the blood vessels, which is crucial since diabetes can silently damage circulation over time. But here's the catch. Fresh tomatoes are great, while processed tomato products can be a sugar bomb in disguise. Many store-bought pasta sauces or ketchups contain high levels of added sugar and sodium, sometimes more than a soft drink per serving. The solution? Make your own sauce using fresh tomatoes, garlic, and herbs. It's simple, flavorful, and you stay in control of what goes into your food. When it comes to managing diabetes, this kind of small swap makes a big difference. Number 9. Avocado. Avocados are one of the rare foods that manage to be both creamy and genuinely good for you, especially if you're living with diabetes. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados help the body use insulin more efficiently. These healthy fats don't just give you energy, they slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, reducing the chance of post-meal blood sugar spikes. This makes avocado a unique ally in maintaining stable glucose levels throughout the day. But the benefits go even deeper. Avocados are high in potassium, which supports heart health, a major concern for people with diabetes. They also contain fiber, which helps regulate digestion and slows the release of carbohydrates. That combination of healthy fats and fiber keeps you feeling satisfied longer, reducing the chances of overeating or snacking on less healthy options. For many, simply adding half an avocado to a meal can make it more balanced and blood sugar friendly. Their versatility is another major advantage. You can spread avocado on whole grain toast, mix it into salads, blend it into smoothies, or even enjoy it by the spoonful with a little lemon and salt. No cooking required. It's a no-fuss, nutrient-dense food that supports stable energy, clearer thinking, and better blood sugar control, all while tasting like a treat. Number 8. Purple cabbage. Purple cabbage is more than just a colorful ingredient. It's a nutritional powerhouse with properties that directly support people living with diabetes. Its vibrant hue comes from anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to reduce inflammation, improve blood vessel health, and even support insulin sensitivity. These compounds give purple cabbage its bold color, but also contribute to lowering oxidative stress in the body, a hidden contributor to insulin resistance. Beyond antioxidants, purple cabbage is packed with fiber, which slows down the digestion of carbohydrates and prevents sudden blood sugar spikes after meals. Just 1 cup of raw purple cabbage offers a significant dose of fiber with very few calories or carbs. That makes it a perfect addition to meals for those trying to manage weight alongside blood sugar, something many people with type 2 diabetes are aiming for. Purple cabbage is easy to prepare and keeps well in the fridge, making it a reliable ingredient for the week. You can eat it raw in slaws, lightly steam or stir-fry it, or even ferment it in a sauerkraut, which adds gut-friendly probiotics to the mix. It's an affordable, widely available vegetable that brings real metabolic benefits and a satisfying crunch to any dish. Number 7. Carrot. Carrots are often misunderstood in the world of diabetes, mostly because of their slightly sweet taste. But beneath that natural sweetness lies a vegetable that is both safe and incredibly beneficial for blood sugar control. Carrots have a low glycemic index, which means they raise blood sugar slowly and steadily rather than causing spikes. This makes them a safe option even for those carefully watching their glucose levels. They're also packed with beta-carotene, a pigment that the body converts into vitamin A, essential for vision, immune function, and skin health. Another strength of carrots is their fiber content. Fiber not only slows down digestion, but also helps control how sugars are absorbed in the bloodstream. One medium carrot provides about 2 grams of fiber, which may not seem like much, but when combined with other high-fiber vegetables, it adds up to powerful metabolic support. Carrots also contain antioxidants that combat inflammation, which is often elevated in people with diabetes. That means carrots do more than help with blood sugar. They also work behind the scenes to protect your cells and reduce long-term health risks. Carrots are also one of the most convenient vegetables you can eat. They require little to no preparation, can be eaten raw, steamed, roasted, or added to soups and stews. They store well, are budget-friendly, and don't lose their nutritional value easily. Whether you're packing a lunch or putting together a dinner plate, adding a handful of carrots is one of the easiest ways to support your body without overthinking it. Sometimes the most powerful health tools are the simplest ones. Number 6. Red onion. Red onions stand out not just for their bold color and flavor, but for their unique health benefits, especially for people managing diabetes. One of the most powerful compounds in red onions is quercetin, a plant flavonoid with impressive antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Studies suggest that quercetin may help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable tool for long-term blood sugar management. These effects go beyond the surface. Quercetin works deep within cells, helping to reduce the oxidative stress that often worsens insulin resistance. What's also noteworthy about red onions is their sulfur compounds. These natural elements support liver detoxification and improve cardiovascular health, both of which are key areas of concern for people with type 2 diabetes. The sulfur in red onions contributes to better circulation and reduced inflammation in blood vessels, offering protection against one of the most dangerous complications of diabetes, cardiovascular disease. The combination of antioxidants and sulfur compounds makes red onions a potent, underrated ally in maintaining both metabolic and vascular health. Another major advantage of red onions is their flexibility in the kitchen. When eaten raw, they retain their full nutritional power, but they can also be lightly cooked without losing too much of their benefit. Sliced into salads, diced into salsas, or added to soups and stews at the end of cooking, red onions can enhance both the flavor and the health profile of almost any dish. They're inexpensive, easy to find, and deliver far more than just taste. They support your health on multiple levels, all while adding a satisfying crunch. Number 5. Leek. Leeks may not be as popular as their cousins garlic and onion, but they offer a unique set of benefits that make them incredibly valuable, especially for people managing diabetes. They contain a group of natural compounds called allyl sulfides, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and support healthy blood sugar levels. These compounds also help stimulate the production of glutathione, the body's master antioxidant, which plays a critical role in detoxifying the liver, an essential organ for maintaining balanced glucose metabolism. What makes leeks particularly special is their prebiotic fiber, especially inulin. Inulin feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, helping to create a healthier microbiome. And why does that matter for diabetes? Because gut health is directly tied to how your body processes sugars and responds to insulin. A well-fed, balanced microbiome supports better glucose control, reduces cravings, and helps prevent spikes and crashes throughout the day. Leeks essentially work from the inside out, supporting the digestive system, the immune system, and the endocrine system all at once. Leeks also bring a gentle, sweet flavor that becomes richer when cooked, making them an easy addition to soups, stews, omelets, and even stir-fries. Their versatility means they can blend seamlessly into dishes while still delivering their nutritional punch. And unlike more delicate greens, leeks hold their structure well during cooking. For anyone looking to eat with purpose, not just for taste, but for real metabolic impact, leeks offer a subtle but powerful way to strengthen your diet without effort. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutritionally dense foods you can put on your plate, and its benefits are especially powerful for those managing diabetes. It's rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in how your body regulates blood sugar and uses insulin. Many people with type 2 diabetes are unknowingly deficient in magnesium, and increasing your intake through whole foods like spinach can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of glucose spikes after meals. In addition to magnesium, spinach contains alpha-lipoic acid, a lesser-known but highly effective antioxidant that has been studied for its ability to lower blood sugar and reduce the symptoms of diabetic neuropathy. This compound helps protect nerve tissue from damage caused by high glucose levels, making it especially valuable for long-term health. Spinach also delivers iron, potassium, vitamin K, and several important plant compounds that support overall cellular function and protect the blood vessels from oxidative stress. Spinach is also incredibly easy to incorporate into your meals. It can be enjoyed raw in salads, blended into smoothies, sautéed with olive oil and garlic, or added to soups and omelets. It cooks down quickly, takes on the flavor of other ingredients, and provides a noticeable boost in nutrition without adding excess carbs or calories. If you're looking for a low-effort, high-reward way to support your blood sugar and overall vitality, spinach should absolutely be a staple in your kitchen. Number 3. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is one of the most versatile and valuable vegetables for anyone trying to manage blood sugar naturally. Low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, it helps slow the digestion and absorption of sugars, leading to more stable glucose levels after meals. But what really sets cauliflower apart is its rich content of sulforaphane, a compound that activates natural detoxification enzymes in the body and has been shown to reduce inflammation, support the liver, and improve insulin function. Beyond its blood sugar benefits, cauliflower provides a wide range of micronutrients that support metabolic health. It contains vitamin C for immune function, vitamin K for bone health, and folate, which plays a role in cell repair and energy metabolism. The fiber content helps regulate digestion and promotes a healthy gut, something increasingly recognized as essential for blood sugar control. For people with diabetes, every one of these systems plays a role in daily well-being, and cauliflower supports all of them in a single, humble vegetable. Another reason cauliflower shines is its adaptability in the kitchen. It can be roasted, steamed, mashed, grilled, or even turned into soups or veggie-based crusts. It absorbs the flavors around it while adding a creamy texture and rich satisfaction to dishes, all without overwhelming your glucose balance. Affordable, easy to find, and long-lasting when stored properly, cauliflower is more than just a trendy vegetable. It's a genuine ally in maintaining long-term health and energy. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries not just as food, but as a natural medicine, and modern science confirms that its reputation is well-deserved. For people with diabetes, garlic offers a powerful combination of benefits. It supports insulin sensitivity, reduces fasting blood sugar levels, and helps regulate cholesterol and blood pressure, two critical factors often linked to diabetes complications. These effects are largely due to allicin, a sulfur compound that activates when garlic is chopped or crushed. But garlic's power doesn't stop with blood sugar. It has natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect cells from damage caused by high glucose levels. Chronic inflammation is one of the root causes of insulin resistance, and garlic helps break that cycle by calming the immune response and improving circulation. It also supports the liver, an organ deeply involved in regulating glucose, by boosting its natural detoxification pathways. In short, garlic works on multiple fronts to make the body more balanced and resilient. Despite its strong flavor, garlic is surprisingly easy to use every day. You can add minced garlic to stir fries, soups, roasted vegetables, or sauces. For maximum benefit, let it sit for a few minutes after chopping. This allows the allicin to fully develop. Whether you use it raw or cooked, garlic transforms ordinary meals into powerful tools for health. It's inexpensive, widely available, and carries centuries of healing wisdom, all in one small, fragrant clove. Number 1. Broccoli. Broccoli isn't just a side dish. It's one of the most powerful tools you can use to support your health, especially when managing diabetes. It's rich in fiber, low in calories, and packed with antioxidants that actively reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. But one compound in broccoli stands out from the rest: sulforaphane. This natural plant chemical has been shown in studies to lower blood sugar, protect blood vessels, and even reduce the risk of long-term complications like neuropathy and cardiovascular disease. What makes broccoli so effective is how it works at both the surface level and deep within your cells. Its fiber content slows digestion and glucose absorption, helping to stabilize your blood sugar after meals. Meanwhile, sulforaphane and other phytonutrients get to work protecting your cells from oxidative stress, a silent but serious driver of insulin resistance and organ damage. Broccoli supports not just your metabolism, but your entire internal balance, making it a foundational food in any diabetes-friendly lifestyle. And the best part? Broccoli is incredibly easy to prepare. Whether you steam it, roast it, stir-fry it, or blend it into soups, it holds its texture and delivers flavor without needing heavy sauces or complex recipes. A simple plate of steamed broccoli with olive oil and lemon can be both delicious and therapeutic. When people say food is medicine, broccoli is one of the clearest examples. A vibrant, affordable, everyday ingredient that quietly helps you stay in control of your health. Choosing the right vegetables isn't just about avoiding sugar. It's about building a plate that gives your body the tools to heal, protect, and thrive. These 10 vegetables aren't magic pills, but they are powerful allies in your journey toward better blood sugar control. With each smart choice you make, each ingredient you swap or add, you're telling your body, I've got your back. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, especially if you're on medication or managing a health condition. Remember, diabetes doesn't define you. You have more control than you think. And when you fill your meals with foods that actively work in your favor, the results often speak for themselves. More energy, better digestion, and fewer sugar crashes. Small changes lead to real progress. So keep going, keep learning, and keep feeding your body like it matters, because it does.